The Royal Australian Air Force Association was established in 1929 to support ex-servicemen from World War I and then post-World War II. Over the years it became a very big business and now has 6 retirement villages which have 1,450 homes in it. We have 4 aged care facilities with 360 beds. We're in the midst of building a $30 million aged care facility with another 102 beds. We also have this wonderful museum that you're seeing behind me here today as part of our operations, and we also provide community-based services. Ricoh came to us as an organisation that could help us support what was at the time a very difficult period in the organisation. It had grown but really hadn't grown its IT capacity to be able to respond to the size of the business.
So just over 2 years ago I was approached by John Murray, the CEO, to assist him with the strategic development for IT across the organisation. Ricoh and the local state manager John Kondo assisted us with understanding the key issues and a strategy to facilitate change across the organisation.
We saw a very old system that lacked in a lot of the key fundamentals that was required for RAAFA just as a base. So we sat down and actually redesigned a whole of business transformation to ensure that the springboard was in place to then catapult RAAFA to where it needed to be. We had to ensure that we had the right strategy in place in line with the corporate strategy of RAAFA, and we needed to make sure that we had buy-in from the various key executive management as well. We delivered a complete whole of business transformation, and that was a great foundation. And now what we find is RAAFA are now looking at wanting to deploy all these other platforms and processes and workflows that they wouldn't even dream of, say 2 years ago, etc.
Because we needed to put in a complete new network and infrastructure so we could bring in clinical management and medication management, we had to start from the ground up, and using Ricoh design teams we built a custom solution for RAAFA WA.
And for us to be involved in designing data centres, in designing complete ecosystems around a hospital, and that includes CCTV, nurse call, telephony, all that type of stuff, is quite exciting for us.
We're now in a position where RAAFA as an organisation can significantly move forward, developing its business and into the future.